Hi everyone, it's me, your manuishu, and welcome back to my YouTube channel manuishu Acca Classes. So in this video, I will be dealing further 5 questions of Kaplan kit from F6. So if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends. And if you have missed out my previous video, you can find the link in the description box, or it will be reflected on the right hand side of your screen. So you can access those links to watch out this video if in case you have missed out. Okay, so in this video I will be dealing further 5 questions, and that's the 26. Okay, so question is, what is the taxable value of its benefit in the tax year 20 and 24? Okay, so basically Christo is higher rate taxpayer and is provided with the following benefit in the tax year 23-24 by his employer. The first is the use of the canteen for lunchtime for 200 days during the tax year. The canteen is available to all staff and the average cost of preparing meals for. So in case of the canteen, if it is provided by employer to employee, in that case it will be exempt if it is available to all the staff in the company. If it is provided to the particular employee, in that case it won't be exempt. Okay, so now for now it will be exempt, not be taxable. Coming to the point number 2, private medical insurance at a cost of 650 to his employer. Christo made a claim during the tax year 20 and 24, and insurance provider paid out 350. So I will discuss point 2 later on. Let's first deal with the third one. 5 per week for additional household costs incurred when he works from home. So in case of work from home, you are eligible for the 6 per week amount, and that will be exempt. Any amount excess of 6 per week, it will be taxable. Less than 5 per week, it is acceptable. So it will be exempt basically, right? So now, before dealing the second point, I would like to say the question is asking out of 3 which will be taxable, not the how much amount will be taxable. Not what is means what is the taxable values of his benefit. Okay, so basically here, just a second. So here, for the medical insurance, up to 500 is exempt, right? So anything excess paid by the employer in regards of the medical insurance, it will be taxable to the employee. The same case goes for the second number as well. So medical insurance cost was 650, right? And up to 500, obviously he can claim back from the employer, and it will be exempt, not the taxable. So the excess 150 will be taxable. So here the question is asking what is the taxable value. These are the value which are given for the each of the benefit. So we have to put this 650 value, not 150. What I guess from this question, right? So as for me, so the excess amount 150 will be taxable to the Christos, and so we won't have to put the amount 150. We will simply write down 650. Okay. Okay. So next question is, what is the taxable